As a marketer, your company may struggle to find the time and resources necessary to generate strong leads while optimizing marketing spend. Pardot, a Salesforce.com company, gives marketers the ability to overcome these challenges. To demonstrate just how you can benefit from Pardot's features, meet Isaac. He is the marketing manager at Lennoxsoft, a provider of energy management software. Isaac wants to capture as much of the prospect journey as possible in order to identify strong, qualified leads for sales. A potential Lennoxsoft customer searches for energy management software, clicks on the paid search ad, and requests a download using a form. This new prospect is now in Isaac's Pardot database. Pardot's in-depth tracking allows Isaac to automatically qualify prospects and identify the most promising leads for his sales reps. Each lead receives a score and a grade based on activity and how well it fits Isaac's ideal prospect profile. These qualifiers are constantly adjusting as new information comes in. Now that Isaac has generated a great lead, it's time to start moving through the sales process. Automatic lead assignment can be set up to assign leads once they meet certain criteria. Once a lead has been assigned to sales, the rep will automatically receive a real-time notification and the record is synced with CRM data. Sales can now view lead information from Pardot directly inside the compatible CRM system. To help move leads through the funnel, Isaac uses Pardot's intuitive lead nurturing tool to send automated, targeted messaging that changes based on prospect activity, freeing up valuable marketing and sales resources without neglecting prospects. By tracking leads from click to close, Isaac is able to determine the true ROI of each marketing campaign, transforming marketing from a cost center to a revenue driver. Using Pardot, Isaac generated qualified sales leads, shortened the sales cycle, and freed up resources, creating a winning relationship between marketing and sales. To learn more about how marketing automation can benefit you, contact us now for a test drive.